Milo the Bragging Monkey. Milo was a monkey who lived in the big banana forest. He could swing fast, climb high, and jump far. But there was one problem. Milo never stopped bragging. "I can swing faster than anyone," he told the parrots. "I can climb higher than the tallest tree," he told the squirrels. "I can jump farther than all of you," he told the rabbits. The other animals got tired of hearing Milo brag all day. One morning, a wise old tortoise came to the forest. "I've heard you are the best at everything," said the tortoise. "Can you show me?" Milo grinned. "Of course, watch me." He started swinging from tree to tree, showing off his jumps. But in his excitement, he didn't see a big beehive. Bumped. Bumped. The hive shook, and the bees flew out, buzzing angrily. Milo ran as fast as he could, but the bees chased him until he jumped into the river. The other animals laughed just a little, and the tortoise said, "Being good at something is nice, but bragging will only get you into trouble." Milo's ears turned red. "I guess I talk too much," he admitted. From then on, Milo still swung, climbed, and jumped, but he let his actions speak instead of his mouth. So kids, what we learn from this story: moral, it's good to be talented, but it's better to be humble.